This quick video will provide faculty and staff with appropriate access to the Grad Rebel Gateway with an overview of how to submit probation, removal of probation, and separation requests through the Grad Rebel Gateway. Please watch our video Navigating the Grad Rebel Gateway Phase 2 for departmental users for more information on navigating the administrative side of the Grad Rebel Gateway. Once you've logged in, using the search box at the top of the page, enter the name or NSHE ID of the student. The search results page will load. Click on the contact name for the student. On the contact page, using either the Program Enrollment quick link near the upper right-hand side of the page, or the Program Enrollment section about halfway down on the right-hand side of the page, click on the appropriate Program Enrollment ID. If the student has multiple program enrollments, be sure you click on the ID for the correct program or plan. In order to request that a student be placed on probation on the program enrollment for the student, click on the Submit Probation Request button to pull up the probation request form. The probation request form will open. The student information section will pre-populate for you. Complete the required fields in the probation information section. You may also upload additional documentation to your discretion. Once you submit the form, it will route via DocuSign for electronic approval signatures. To request separation of the student or the removal of probation, navigate to the appropriate program enrollment. Then, using either the Forms quick link near the upper right-hand side of the page or the Forms section about 3/4 of the way down on the right-hand side of the page, click on the form ID for the probation request form that was previously approved. At the top of the probation request form record, you will see a Submit Separation Request button and a Submit Probation Removal Request button. Click the appropriate button depending on which action you are wanting to take. A web form will open. After you complete the required fields, the form will electronically route for approval signatures through DocuSign. We are here to help if you need any assistance with probation or separation requests. Please contact us at gradrebel@unlv.edu or 702-895-5579. View more videos on navigating the Grad Rebel Gateway on our YouTube channel.